Hey there, everybody. This is Sherry Denny, and I want to show you how to do a really quick overview of how you can get a survey into the back of your MindMe pages. So let's just hop to it, do a screen share. And I have here we go, let's do this. I have a test account up here. So basically what you're gonna do is go into your MindMe account, and you'll first you show up, you're in your dashboard. And sorry it's so slow. Talk to them about that. You know, that's going to happen soon. You know, everything happens with speed these days. So you get into your dashboard, and then what you're going to do is go over here to where your name is in the upper right-hand corner and click on the down menu, go to Account. Let that come up. As soon as that comes up, you're going to have a menu over to the left, and you're going to see Custom Fields. Click on Custom Fields, and this is where the fun begins. You can add custom fields right here. Actually, I already have some in here, but I'm just going to go ahead and add a few more. So over to the right, click Add Custom Field. And you can see you can add, all of these are already in the page, in the mobile page where you want contact information. But what you're going to do is you can add a yes or no question. You can actually put a custom field in there where you can select one, or you can select multiple answers. So we're going to do the yes, no for a survey. And I'm going to go ahead and put in, this one will be question, I believe it would be question 11, just to make sure it goes through, and save it. It's saving. Okay, now that it's there, see, you can see question 11, but there's also all these other custom fields that I've put in there. And I started with question 10 and worked my way down to question 1. So question 1 shows up first. You learn by trial and error. And then I also have the one, please select one destination, or please select, you know, whatever it is you want to have them select, whether it's one or multiple locations. Then go to your mobile page. You're going to create, actually, you're going to create a new mobile page. So let's go create a new mobile page. Okay, I always go ahead and click when I'm doing a survey, the capture. You can use custom, but you're going to need the capture in it anyway, and then you can add anything else that you want to as we go along. What you're going to want to do right away is name your survey. So let's just call this, I'm going to call it survey 2 because I believe I already have one in here. And then you're going to want to title it survey. And then you can add an image if you want. And here's the fun thing about doing this. You can put one in or not, it doesn't matter. But if you put an image in, like, you know, what your survey is about, like health and wellness, or maybe it's about traveling, you know, whatever it is, you can actually add nothing to it when somebody clicks on it, or you can add your website to it, your email, a click to call, or a mobile page to it. So I always like to add something. On this one, I just put on there, change is calling. Do you want to decline or do you want to accept it? And then I put a click to call in there, and it's your phone number. Okay, it's that simple. Then close that up and go to where you're going to be putting in your survey. So you want to have the name, the email, your mobile phone, and then go over here right underneath mobile phone where it says add a field, and select, you know, you want question 1. Okay, we've got that in there. You have to now put your question in there, and you have to make sure that it's not too long. Like some of the surveys I get, they have very long questions, and just put, are you into health? It's that simple with a question mark, and then go ahead and add the next question, so on and so forth. How are you doing today? You know, anything you want to have that survey about. And you can add as many as you want. You can even go down and you can put in there, please select a destination, you know, whatever you want on there. These are actually going to show up over here. I'm not going to use the destination at this time, but you can put your survey in here as many, well, I could say as many questions as you want, but you guys, you want it to be a 1-minute survey, so just make it 10 at the most. And that's a good idea. Up here in your title, you might want to actually make that title your 1-minute survey. So that's how simple that part is, but you always want to make sure that if you want to make the submit button different, you probably already know how to do this, a different color. Just go in there and select your color. Your message that you want back here, whatever you're going to give back on your survey, it says thank you, and you could put on here, we will get back with you shortly. And they're going to get that when they put that survey in. You want to have something that they're going to get back with. And then do not forget this part. Always, always, always make sure that you put in either your phone number that you're going to get a text back from it. And I even do this. I like the fact that I can get a text, but I also like to keep it a little bit more organized. And oops, sorry about that. I didn't send the ad, but put ad. You want to make sure you add it. And then I always want to put in an email because I can organize it a little bit better there as well. And you add that. So now you have 2 ways that you're actually going to get that contact information when they fill out that survey. So that's how simple it is to put a survey in there. You want to make sure you save it. And then when this is all saved, you can actually add this survey to any of your mobile pages. You can add it to any of your keywords. You can add it to a campaign. It's that simple. And if you want to know more, there are actually resources here that show you how you can do all of those extra added things that we already do in our back pages. Under your resources, it shows campaigns, and these are all short videos on how to accomplish anything else you want to do in there. So thank you so much, and I was glad to be able to share this with you.